is the God's gift to us. An example of this is the clean environment that people should take care of. I made the recycled paper bag using old papers that instead of throwing away and adding clutter to the environment, I made a bag for more usefulness. I hung a pendant of cut wood pieces, adding more appeal to the design to symbolize that papers are made out of trees. Come to think of it, while disposing of papers, how many trees can be cut down while making paper? Cutting down forests is one of the causes of climate change, floods, landslides, and other environmental problems. It is important to consider the welfare of our natural resources. Instead of using plastics to store groceries, we can use paper bags. Paper bags can be used as an alternative to store items. It is an eco-friendly bag rather than plastic bags that takes a longer time to dissolve in the ground. It is also good to use as gift bag for gifting, like the one I made. It's cute, right? I made a short poem and attached it to my paper bag to express the love for God as we care nature. Nature gives us a better future, a gift from above we should be glad of. God gave us green, let's keep it clean. Appreciate and cherish, the future won't vanish. And I also put my name here. With this simple way, we can show our love for God by taking care of His gifts given to us. So let's keep the environment clean and green. Reuse, reduce, and recycle.